Hey, creators, welcome back to the channel. I'm the TechSavvyHQ, and today we're diving into a debate that's been heating up for years: AI versus human creativity. Who wins? With AI tools becoming smarter every day, the lines between human ingenuity and machine-generated creativity are blurring. So is AI really a threat to human creativity, or can we work together to create even more groundbreaking work? Well, let's find out. Before we get into the face-off, let's break down what creativity actually is. At its core, creativity is the ability to generate something novel, unique, or valuable, whether it's an idea, a piece of art, or a solution to a problem. It's about thinking outside the box and blending experiences, emotions, and knowledge to come up with something new. Creativity has been a uniquely human trait for centuries. But now that AI can create art, music, and even stories, we're starting to ask, is AI becoming creative, or is it just following instructions? Let's start by looking at what AI can actually do. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Runway, and many others can generate text, art, videos, and even entire songs. These tools can quickly analyze tons of data, learn from patterns, and output results that are often shockingly good. AI can even remix content, taking your text or ideas and transforming them into something new. But the big question is, does it truly understand the why behind the creation, or is it just regurgitating patterns? AI can pull from a huge database of human-created content to generate ideas. It can even surprise us with its results. But here's the catch. It's still confined by the data it's trained on. So while it's impressive, it's not creating from raw human experience. When we combine human creativity with AI tools, we don't just create, we elevate the creative process. Think of AI as your assistant, not your competitor. AI doesn't feel emotions, but it can help you express yours. Now, let's talk about human creativity. As humans, we have this deep well of experiences, emotions, memories, cultural backgrounds that influence everything we create. Our creativity comes from moments of insight, inspiration, and even from struggling through failure. It's messy, unpredictable, and often irrational, but that's what makes it so powerful. Humans create from feeling, whether it's the pain of loss, the joy of discovery, or the anger of injustice. AI, on the other hand, doesn't experience life like we do. It's a tool, not an artist. So let's get to the real debate. Is AI a collaborator or a replacement? There are some who think that AI will take over, making human creativity obsolete. And honestly, the idea of an AI-driven world sounds pretty intimidating. But on the flip side, others argue that AI is a tool, a powerful one at that, helping humans unlock new levels of creativity. Instead of replacing us, AI can free us from tedious tasks, let us experiment more, and even help us discover new patterns and perspectives. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of how AI and humans are working together in creative fields. In filmmaking, directors use AI to generate storyboards, predict audience reactions, and even enhance visual effects. But the heart of the film? That's all human. In music, AI can help generate chords, beats, and melodies, but the raw emotion and performance still comes from the human artist. AI is a tool, not a soul. So who wins? Well, I think the answer is it's not a competition. AI is here to help, not replace. And yes, AI can create things that might blow our minds, but human creativity, our passion, our emotions, our drive to create something meaningful, cannot be replicated by an algorithm. In 2025 and beyond, the most exciting work will come from the fusion of human and machine. Together, we'll push the boundaries of art, design, storytelling, and innovation. It's not about AI versus human creativity. It's about AI and human creativity. So, what do you think? Is AI your creative partner, or do you think it's crossing a line? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, creativity has no limits, whether human or machine.